Hey video creators, welcome back to Unifab's channel. Have you ever noticed your videos looking choppy or blurry during fast motion scenes? Unifab Smoother AI leverages cutting-edge deep learning to intelligently generate intermediate frames, significantly enhancing smoothness and detail in your videos. Whether it's gameplay, animation, or sports footage, it effectively reduces jitter and stutter, making the visuals more natural and lifelike. Today, I'll introduce Unifab Smoother AI, an advanced AI frame interpolation tool that effortlessly boosts your videos to 120 FPS, delivering ultra-smooth motion. Now let's jump into the software. Download Unifab Smoother AI for free from Unifab's official website. Download link below. You can see many AI functions on the homepage. We select Smoother AI and import the video. You can choose the output modes, which are frame interpolation and slow motion. Both modes also contain different models, including fast model and high quality model. On the right side of the software, you can trim and preview the video to flexibly process the clips. Select the export location and click Start. In just moments, the software will finish enhancing the smoothness. Comparing before and after, you'll clearly see the huge improvement brought by frame interpolation. Dynamic scenes look smoother and more detailed, making your viewing experience much more enjoyable. If you want to add silky smooth visuals to your videos, give Unifab Smoother AI a try. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.